Hi, I am SV Radash. I am studying 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangal. Welcome all of you for our debate. To entertain all of you, welcome all of you for our debate. That is in Tamil, Pattimandam. All of you know about debate, that is Tamil, Pattimandam. The topic is the best way of teaching for primary school is formal education or informal education. They are going to debate about the best way of teaching for primary school. What is formal education? Formal education is structured learning instruction like schools and colleges to get degrees and certification. In Tamil, இம்முறை கல்வியான மாணவர்கள் முறையான பாடத்திட்டம் மற்றும் மதிப்பெண் முறையில் கல்வி நிலையங்களிலும் கல்லூரிகளிலும் பயிற்றுவிப்பதாகும். Do you know what is informal education? Informal education is learned through experience, self-study and real-world application. In Tamil, இம்முறை கல்வியானது மாணவர்களுக்கு முறையான பாடத்திட்டத்தோடு மட்டுமல்லாமல் முழு வளர்ச்சியையும் திறமைகளையும் பயிற்றுவிப்பதாகும். Let's welcome our judge and our debaters. I request all our parents to listen the argument carefully and decide which type of coaching is best for our children for their shiny future. Let's introduce our judge. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ashwini. I am studying 5th standard. Dear audience and respected debaters, good evening to everybody. Which is the best way of teaching for our primary kids? In our Jennifer school, the students have different views. First, I call Selvan Lidis to give his argument about formal education.
Hi, I am Lidhi studying in 4th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangal. Good evening to everybody. All of you know today's debate topic is which way of coaching is best for your children's future. Formal education or informal education. I am going to express my opinion that formal education is the best way of coaching for primary kids. It is very clear that formal way of coaching is very safe to learn for primary kids. It structural curriculum ensure every child master essential skills. What is education? Children learn to read, write and get a strong foundation that they must have. Our structural curriculum ensure every child master essential skills. Our coaching is important for book subject. How do you get theorems like Pythagoras? So respect I prefer formal way of coaching is I prefer formal way of coaching. It is the best for your basic education. I am waiting for your judgment. I think it will be in favor of my opinion. Thank you.
Very nice speech. Now I call Selvan Abhijit to give his argument about informal education.
Good evening to everybody. I am Abhijit, studying in 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangal. I am going to give my opinions about informal education. Convey my heartily greetings to you all. Education is not a proud and proud board. I think because of my informal education only bold enough to stand here. Will you agree? Because of informal education, more students getting jobs in future. But it is then just passing the test. Education must throw creativity. It awakens the potential energy from their childhood.
One question I want to ask you. You are saying creativity. What is creativity? There is no time to study subject. Then how do they learn creativity? How do they get high mark?
Very nice question. You can proceed now.
Creativity means challenging every child mind by learning extracurricular activities. It gives chances and spaces for independent thinking. Creativity is born out of learning. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. School is not for what to think, but school is for how to think and why to think. Not only we give importance to book, but also be giving different kinds of extracurricular activities to understand book content easily and interestingly. One of the important extracurricular activities important for their children is grammar from their childhood. It helps them for self-study, English talking, and understand every concept by themselves.
Excuse me, please clear my doubt. Why do you get special grammar for childhood? I think in primary school there is no need special grammar. They give stress to children.
Actually, in current trend by practicing grammar in fun way of our own, it is the foundation of every learning. What is stress? Formula of teaching, studying and understanding all the time is stress, or understand the subject by themselves of our own is not stress. In some schools, there is no creativity. There are many creative question answers. So I respected judge and accept my opinions about informal education is the best way of teaching for every child. Thank you.
Now I call Selvi Analia to give his argument about formal education.
Good evening to everybody. I am Analia studying 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangat. Have a nice day to everybody. I am going to express my opinion about formal education. I have no good opinion about informal education. I never agree. It is very funny. Only getting mark is very important. Memorizing is also very important. Our goal is to get high mark in exam. But if they waste their time by doing project work and extracurricular activities, so they can score only low mark. Formal education is the bedrock of success. Our structural curriculum ensures every child it masters essential skills like reading, writing and maths, which are useful for all future need. Our most valuable asset is the certificated teachers. We guarantee our children master the main school subject. Getting mark is very important. Guarantee learning, no missing skills. My brother Abhijit told that grammar is very important to study. I think no need of special grammar for childhood. They will study in higher class. It gives stress to children.
I want to ask one question. Which one gives stress to children? Always memorizing and studies or learning by understand easily by grammar.
Wait, let me complete my point. Without degree, how do they get job? I am educated. So they first ask, what is your qualification? They will give important to my degree only. So respected judge, I kept my opinion in front of you. Give me the good judgment. Thank you.
Now I call Selvan Jivigaris to give his argument about informal education.
Good evening to everybody. I am G.V. Harris, studying in 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangat. I am going to argue that informal education to kids and primary students is the essential teaching for their future. I am against my brother's opinion that memorizing facts and scoring marks are important for their future. Never!
I got one doubt, ma'am. They have so many degrees, but they did not get job. Why? Very wonderful question. Proceed.
They have no skill. The school must improve their knowledge to stand in front of the public meeting boldly. It's also a skill to attend interviews, job opportunity. Education plays an important role in everyone's life. Education tells man what to think, why to think, how to recognize the concept of the lesson. Nowadays, the bad changes fast. All of you know that.
Yes, I know, brother. Yes, sir. No, brother. Any company and institution don't give importance to degree by the jack up the good talking, GK and boldness. Of course, job opportunity, creative thinkers and good talkers. The school must improve not only their studies but also their self-confidence. From their childhood, the school teaches skills for their future. We use fun activities and games to make learning interesting, but make them to understand by activities. Knowledge with education is a power. We can do anything and everything with knowledge. From the primary levels onward, they are taught about general knowledge, phonics, spoken English, vocabularies, which develop their knowledge. So, respected judge, tell me the good opinion about this debate. Thank you.
Very nice and useful arguments. Education helps us to success in life. It improves our thinking ability to help us to learn new things. The school must give the both basic, that is primary education is very important for our children. It is true, if the children is clear in his foundation, education that is very easy to study higher portions by himself. If he is thorough in his higher education, not only he could score high marks, he could attend any interviews, NEET exam, group exam and entrance exam, employment opportunities by identifying the higher talent. Our Jennifer School acts as a training center by developing all-around personality of a child by giving chance and practice. Now I call Selvan Aaron to give his argument about formal education.
Hi, I am Aaron, studying in 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangar. Good evening to everybody. Now I want to say few words about formal education. Formal way of teaching in structure, learning environment often take place only a physical or online classroom. It leads to a recognized certification. This education covers fundamental skills and subject understanding, which is suitable for higher learning. This structured education is suitable only for scoring marks for professions such as engineering, medicine and etc. This structured with a defense curriculum. It is a learning objectives and a specific part to attain academic degrees or diplomas. It involves a plan, schedule and formal methods of assessment and evaluation. We can't build a skyscraper without a strong foundation. So respected judge, give me the good judgment of my opinions. Thank you.
Now I call Selvan Arun Vishnu to give his argument about informal education.
Good evening to everybody. I am Arun Vishnu, studying in 5th standard in Jennifer English School, Karangar. Informal learning is nice to study, so there is no below average students in primary section. Formal coaching, stressful and boring children love their natural curiosity. We must make learning relevant to their life. Our method helps them use knowledge in the real world. Less stress and useful knowledge in the real world. Chances and practice must be given to children for the reasoning power. This makes the knowledge stick ready for future job and fun learning. I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Very nice arguments. Formal team's opinions to score high marks by memorizing book content, but informal says that chances must be giving the gain. The parents think about the arguments for your child future. In our Jennifer School, we give the child the best plan future. Thank you.